Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Downloading an email thread from Outlook is a useful skill for keeping records or sharing information. You can save entire conversations quickly using a few different methods. The best way to download a thread is by saving it as a PDF file. First, open the Outlook desktop app and select the email conversation you want to save. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Select the Print option from the menu. Instead of a physical printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of devices. Click the Print button at the bottom. A window will pop up asking where to save the file. Type a name for your thread and click Save. This creates a single document with every message in the chain. Another option is using the Save As feature. Go to File and click Save As. Choose a folder on your computer. This saves the thread as an Outlook message format file. This is great if you want to open it back up in Outlook later. If you use the web version of Outlook, the steps are slightly different. Open your email thread and look for the three dots in the top right corner. Click those dots and select the Print option. A preview will appear. Change the destination to Save as PDF. Click Save and choose your folder location. These methods ensure your important messages are stored safely on your hard drive. You can now access your email threads offline whenever you need them. Managing your digital files is much easier with these simple and very effective steps.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.